previously distributed this page to the pupils, and I want to review the progress to see how they're getting on with the task. I'm going to go to the Class Notebook tab and choose Review Student Work. From here, I'll be able to select the section where I distributed the page. I sent it to Homework. Click on Next. It's the water cycle page that I want to review. Click Next. Let's see how pupil 4 is getting on with the work. I can see they've labelled the diagram. Let's have a look at pupil 1. Oh, they don't seem to have done any work yet. From this view, I can also lock the page if I so wish. I don't want pupil 4 to do any more work, so that page can be locked for them. Click Apply to lock a page. The Review Student Work option allows you to see a particular page's progress throughout your class in a quick and simple window.